How to use rubber duck debugging effectively. Imagine sitting at your desk, staring at your computer, feeling stuck on a tricky bug. You might think you need a fellow programmer to help, but sometimes all you need is a rubber duck. Rubber duck debugging is a simple way to find errors by explaining your code out loud to an inanimate object. It might sound odd, but it works because talking through your code makes you see mistakes you might miss when reading silently. To do it well, start by picking a good listener. It could be a real rubber duck, a stuffed animal, or even a small figurine. The key is to have something to talk to that helps you focus. Next, explain your code from the beginning. Talk about what each line does and why it's there. Don't skip details, even if they seem obvious. Pretend the duck knows nothing about your project. Then, tell the duck what you want your code to do. Sharing your goals helps you see if your code matches your intentions. As you explain, listen carefully to your own words. If something sounds confusing or doesn't make sense, that's a sign you need to look closer. Mark those parts mentally or jot down notes. These are likely areas where bugs hide or where your logic might be off. Make this a regular habit in your debugging routine. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to spot issues quickly. You can also combine rubber duck debugging with other tools like code analyzers or automated tests. Talking through your code helps you understand it better and catch errors that tools might miss. Remember, the act of explaining forces you to slow down and think critically. It's like giving your brain a chance to see the problem from a different angle. If you're stuck on a complex logic or a tricky syntax error, this method can be a game changer. It's simple, cost-free, and surprisingly effective at helping you find bugs faster. So next time you're facing a stubborn problem, grab your rubber duck and start talking. You might be surprised how much clarity you gain just by explaining your code out loud.